Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into WhatsApp Web without a QR code. Now, let's open up the WhatsApp app first on your iPhone or Android. Works the exact same. And let's go through the process of logging in on a different device like a computer. So we're going to tap on the U button at the very bottom right. Now within here, we have two different ways to be able to link or access WhatsApp through WhatsApp Web on a computer. One is to use a QR code, but the other one is just to get a phone number texted. So let's tap on linked devices here. Now you can see it says use WhatsApp on other devices. You can link other devices, including a Windows, Mac, or web. So essentially, we're going to go through the process of linking those devices. So let's tap on that. And you can see it says, I don't have access to the camera, so I can go through the process of doing the camera. However, when you do this, essentially what you're going to do is use the QR code when you don't want to use that. So what we're going to do instead is go to web.whatsapp.com on a computer. And it says the default, again, is to use a QR code like this one. However, you'll be able to see at the bottom left, it says log in with a phone number instead. So essentially what you're going to do is on a computer, go to web.whatsapp.com, tap on log in with a phone number, and enter in the phone number from your iPhone or Android. Now, after you've done that, all you'll do is go into the chat section and you'll get a code texted to that iPhone or Android through WhatsApp, and then you just enter in that code to the WhatsApp web on your iPhone or on your Mac or Windows computer, and then you will be logged in, and you don't necessarily need to go through the process of using the QR code. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you just have any questions. Thanks, guys.